Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo. Today analyzing Tarvent, a tool that claims to access email marketing, marketing automation, and transactional emails tools with this all-in-one platform. So you're gonna use it to have your whole email marketing. You can do email marketing, you can do marketing automation, you can create landing page and also transactions. It's an all-in-one tool around marketing. You can see here the landing page, you can see the marketing automation. You can also have product satisfaction survey, many. And you get like for time. As the difference here will be the number of and also the number of email credits for transactional email. If to have transactional emails per month, you need to get at least, and then you get 10k contacts. You can go getting 75k contacts and more than 10k transactional emails a month. It's a lot. So it's a good lot of first email marketing. And we can take a look at here. You can see the deck, and on the left it's where the magic is. So you have audience templates, campaigns, landing page, surveys, library, reports. So they are here on. You can create a new audience. Pretty simple. Just click here, create a new audience. Click, and you can add new subscribers. Just click. You add your new subscribers. You can, of course, import subscribers using on. You can create your email templates. Just click on new email. Your templates can be hello, user, here, the market. We want to know if you are enjoying our tool, etc. So you create an email, an HTML plan, and AMP. It's possible using here on campaigns. You can create a new. You have your first campaign, and where you're going to design your and then send to your own journeys. It's where you're going to your marketing journey with landing page, with email. That's an example journey. Contact added, add a new tag on it, wait 30 days, remove the new, and that's it. Adding and removing. So you can create a journey, so contact it, and then you create a journey to send an email to that contact. Pretty simple. It's a marketing landing page, where you can create a landing page. So click here, new landing. Create that. You can see here how it's going. Also here, it's an example of your link. You can also edit it. So add title, content, text, image, video, social share, social follow, sign up form. It's possible to embed code as well. And it has also survey feature where you can ask anything to your library, where you're gonna see which kind of image or items you have uploaded. Also, where you're gonna see engagement score, standard reputation, audience, everything about your journey will be shown on journey campaign. Also, you will be able to see the email API, survey reports, landing page reports about. That's my Tarvent. You have like that review. The email is on the link is on the description, where you're going to find more information about that tool. All the information we need are on. So take a look. Thank you.